Discover the secret to ageless, youthful-looking skin. Try Nature Skin Labs Ageless. Smooth the appearance of deep-set fine line and wrinkles. Reduce the look of the skin around your eyes. Hydrate and help diminish puffiness. The benefits of Nature Skin Labs Ageless. Nature Skin Labs Ageless helps diminish the look of fine lines and restore fragile skin around the eye area. This advanced 3-in-1 botanical and peptide formula dramatically reduces the tired look of aging skin, the visible effects of the environment and the appearance of expression lines. Nature Skin Labs Ageless improves skin condition. The following graph shows the effect of Nature Skin Labs Ageless on the skin. Significant skin improvements could be observed after using Nature Skin Labs Ageless. Rejuvenate your skin without expensive surgery. Diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Nature Skin Labs Ageless's proprietary formulation has been specially formulated to continuously reverse the visible signs of aging, resulting in noticeably smoother skin, diminished wrinkles, eyes, and an overall plumping effect. Retain moisture. As skin ages, it cannot retain moisture as well, and this causes rough, dull skin that is prone to irritation and redness, but using glycerin regularly can prevent these problems associated with dryness. It also helps your face seem smoother by filling in the microscopic cracks in the dry skin. Improve skin's vitality. Nature Skin Labs Ageless uses a unique blend of ingredients that provides both instant and long-term benefits that give the appearance of smoother, brighter and more firm-looking skin around your eyes. Discover the secret to ageless, youthful-looking skin. Hurry and claim your trial today. Click the link in the description to get a risk-free trial, and visit myskind.com for more other products and special offers. Terms and conditions applies. Click the link in the description to get a risk-free trial, and visit myskind.com for more other products and special offers. Terms and conditions applies. Click the link in the description to get a risk-free trial, and visit myskind.com for more other products and special offers. Terms and conditions applies.